Yeah. Wait. We living in the jungle, nigga, where hyenas gon' fuck with you. Just cause you the top dog don't mean nobody gonna hit you. It's levels to the shit. Gotta be a boss and level up, nigga. Haters prowling like hyenas in the streets. Don't be a victim. Everybody ain't your friend. Gotta watch it. Day one niggas in the jungle. There's a drop. That's when you see who fucking richer. Money get low. Some niggas separate like bitches. Friends turn into foes. Just like they shoved it. Them young niggas better pack that heat. Keep that LeBron up on the side and end up dead meat. Just like a cantaloupe that died, this is a game of chess. Only the tough niggas survive, better keep that tech hood. Cause niggas are doing drive-bys in the streets, homie. Bitches and niggas taking life, better let them nuts drop. Cause weak-minded people are dying, this is real, homie. Just like the book of Eli, you better tighten up. Cause in the jungle, lion dies, nigga. Wait. Life online, nigga. Yeah.